Sport finance holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the sport finance latest update. And you know what? A lot of people ask me questions about sport. That what should we do in this critical situation? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold sport? So keep watching this video. In this video, I will show you, my friends. But please, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the spore in the market is 0 USD dollar. My friends, the price is zero, so that's not mean that exact price of the spore is zero. No, my friends, the price is very low. At this time, the price of spore is very low. That is why the price showing here is zero, my friends. And if we look the price changes of the spore, so the price changes is going good. The last 1 day, last 1 hour pricing is positive, and the previous change, the last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. That's mean that the latest update, the latest price change occur in the sport is good, but the previous change is negative, my friends. Wow, my friends, absolutely, it's going to the moon, my friends. You can see here that is the last 60-minute price chart of the sport finance, and you can see it going straight to the moon. I hope, my friends, that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. And absolutely, at this time, I like the price chart of the sport. The pricing is positive 0.08%, and my friends, you know what, the previous as I show you, my friends, at the start of this video, that the previous changes is negative, the latest pricing is going good. So now from yesterday the sport finance start pumping, but the previous changes is still negative. So if the previous changes is still negative, this means that you are in the loss, my friends. So my friends, personally, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sit, my friends. Please hold it. The previous changes is negative and you are in the loss. Please hold for profit, my friends. If you want profit from a sport, so you have to hold. And you know what, my prediction is positive on sport finance. I believe my prediction is that sport will take a huge pump in this month, my friends. In this month, there's a necessary for sport to take a huge pump. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about sport? Please tell me in the comment box. And my recommendation for all of you is that it is time to hold, my friends, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.